In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset TradesViz. Now, as you can see here, I have some trades inside my account. These are just some sample demo trades, which are basically enabled with these samples up top. So if you want to actually reset your TradesViz account, you want to go to the top right and click on your account button. And then from here, you want to go to trading accounts, okay? Now, inside trading accounts here, you'll see there's going to be your accounts. For me, I only have one. So to actually reset it, you want to go and click on this clear button over here, and as you can see, confirmation required, and it says confirm reset trading account. Do you want to clear or reset all trades in this trading account? And you want to make sure you notice this is irreversible and you will lose all your trades, imports, images, notes, and all the tags associated with this specific account. So only if you're sure you want to do this, click on the OK button, and there we go. As you can see, trading account cleared, which means you've successfully reset your TradesViz account. So if you have multiple accounts, of course, you'll be able to do it for multiple, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.